Hi, my name is Shayan, and this is my web development project. So, it's a travel holiday booking website called Holiday, basically a play on the word holiday. I built this website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. No frameworks or anything like that, just pure vanilla code. So, let me start by showing you what the site does. Then I'll go into the code. So basically, this is the main homepage. At the top, there is a big hero section with a background image, a headline, and a search bar. So let's talk about the search bar. The search bar actually works if you type a destination. It takes you to the packages page, filters the results automatically. Let me show you. If I search Bali here, it will filter the result and show me my package that I have searched for. Let's go back to the homepage. Scrolling down, you have got three featured package cards. Okay, then a video embed and a YS choose section, and at the last we have customer reviews at the bottom. Let's show you the packages page now. So basically, this is the page. It shows you all six holiday destination: Bali, Santorini, Maldives, Dubai, Tokyo, and New York. There's a filter bar at the top where you can filter by region, budget, and how long you want to go for. I'll show you how that works. As you can see, it filters the package that is best for me and for my needs. Now let's move on to the destination page. I'll choose any page. Let's choose Bali Escape. Okay. So basically, each destination has its own page. This is Bali. On the left, you have got the details, a description of the package, an image gallery, a list of what's included, and a video at the bottom. And on the right side, you can see a booking box that stays fixed to the side as you scroll, so you can always reach it. So basically, the booking box calculates the total price when you change the number of travelers. If I change the number of travelers to 2, it changes the price, and 3 to the same. Now let's move on to the contact and FAQ pages. First of all, let us look at the contact page. So this is the contact page. So basically, there's all there's a contact page with a form that validates before it submits. Like if an empty or invalid fields highlight in a red, as you can see, if you don't type any data in it, it highlights in red. Now let's move on to FAQ page. On the right side, you can see our call us section, or email section, our office address. Let's move on to the FAQ page. So on the FAQ page, you can see an accordion where you click a question to expand the answer. Only one answer can be open at one time, as you can see that. So now let me show you the code behind some of these features. First of all, we'll go to packages filter. Yeah, this it's highlighted. Uh, and from line 8 to 37 in packages filter, you can see that when you click the filter button, it reads the three drop down values: region. Sorry. When you click the filter button, it reads the three drop down values: region, budget, and duration. Then loops through every package card and checks if it matches all three. If it does, the card stays visible. If not, it gets hidden. Each card has data attributes in the HTML with its region, price, and number of nights, and that's what gets compared. Now let's move into the booking box code. So line 22 in booking.js, the price per person is read from a data attribute on the HTML element rather than being hard coded in JavaScript. That means the same file works across all six destination pages without any changes. And from line 24 to line 28 is that update total function. It multiplies the number of travelers by the price and updates the display in real time. Now let's move into the Lightbox code. From line 3, basically from line 3 to line 24. Oh, my bad. Wait, not line 3, line 13, line 13. So from line 13 to line 28 in lightbox.js, the open lightbox function, it takes the index of whichever image was clicked, loads the full size version, counter showing updates the counter like showing 2 of 3 and hides the previous or next arrow when you are at the ends. Escape key closes it. Now let's move into the FAQ accordion code. From line 3 to line wait, from line 3 to line 24, you can see the toggle item function. The important bit is line 17 here. It uses scroll height to set the max height dynamically so the animation works regardless of how long the answer is. I couldn't just use display none because that can't be animated with CSS transitions. Now let me show you the form validation code. Line 16 in validate.js, the email validation uses a regex to check the format is valid. And from line 19, from line 19 to line 55, you can see that the main validate form function, it checks each field one by one: name, email, destination, message. If anything fails, it adds an error class to highlight it in red and the form won't submit. Look. So basically, that's Holiday 11 pages, all the interactivity written in vanilla JavaScript, responsive on mobile, and with accessibility features like keyboard navigation and skip links throughout. Thanks for watching.